Good morning, friends. Seems like van repairs are always just harder than they need to be with me. I don't know why. But yeah, happened again last weekend.
She's lost. She's lost her mind again. They lost my friend. Lost her land again.
Quack. So Vicki and I went out to the lake to do some camping. All was well. We got there no problem. After we'd been there a few minutes, I decided to turn my van around because I wanted it facing the other way. And lo and behold, I had a flat tire. I mean, completely flat. So I figured I just picked up a nail or something like that. When I got this van, it's got these knobby all-terrain tires on it. And I thought that I wouldn't like them. And I just figured whenever it was time to get new tires, I would trade them for a different style. They were brand new whenever I got the van. They were maybe 4 months old. So they have a lot of life left in them. So I was really surprised that, like I said, it went completely flat like that. Again, figured I picked up a nail. So I was checking out this spare tire, and it's just a regular tire. It doesn't have the knobbies on it or whatever. So I thought, you know what, instead of changing the tire and then driving it up to the tire store and then having the tire replaced and putting the spare back and all that, that I would just call the tow truck and have them come get my car and my van and take it up to the tire store. I have AAA, so it doesn't cost anything. So that's what I did. I had it taken up to Discount Tires. I've done a lot of business with Discount Tire and never had a problem with them before. Well, that really wasn't the case this time. I didn't go to the location that I usually do. I happened to go to the one next to the campground where we were staying. So I'm going to try to keep this long story short. I'm just going to insert the rant that I did right after my Discount Tire experience. I'll put that in here. But I wanted to share with you what I've learned since then. So the tires I have are Goodyear Wrangler all-terrains. And Discount Tire can get all kinds of different brands. So I didn't really even think about it, that they might not be able to get this particular tire, which they couldn't. So after I got home a few days later, I called Goodyear and I said, hey, do you have one of these Wranglers? And the guy looked it up and he said, you know, I can't even get that tire. And I'm like, well, that's weird. They're Goodyear tires. It's strange. And he said, yeah, that is strange. Anyway, I did some more research, and what I found out is Walmart bought the rights to this particular type of tire, this Goodyear Wrangler. So they are the only ones that can sell it. Yep, that's right. So I guess I'm going to Walmart today. So I decided that I don't know what condition the spare is in under the van, and it probably doesn't really matter. It probably needs to be replaced because you know how that goes. They get old and dried and cracked, especially if they're riding up under the van like that. So I'm going to put my new tire that I ended up buying at Discount Tires under the van, so I know that I'll have a really good spare. It's brand new, and then get a new Wrangler all-terrain tire for $79. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to do today. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. I hope whatever you're doing today, you are having a great day and you don't have to go buy a new tire. Anyway, y'all, stay lost, my friends. Yep, it is so flat. Completely flat. So yeah, you can see they still have plenty of tread on them. Like I said, I just must have picked up a nail or something bad happened. Paul Vanley, man, I tell you what, you're one expensive dude. Oh well, what you gonna do? Alright, so we called AAA. They're on their way. In fact, I think I just saw him go by, so he should be coming around the loop here in just a minute. Up it goes. Not tired off. Alright, so Vicki brought me up here to Discount Tires so I could pick up my van. You know, okay, yeah, I'm going to do a little Discount Tire rant. This was ridiculous. So to begin with, they never would communicate with me. They kept telling me they would call me and let me know what was going on with the van, and they never did. I had to call them 3 times. Anyway, 2.5 hours later. So the first time I called, they said, well, we'll try to repair your tire. If it's not repairable, do you want to replace it? We have a Cooper tire that's all-terrain, just like the ones you've got on there, so we can just slap that on for you for $160. I said, yeah, that'll be cool. Let's do that. So again, nobody ever called me. Nobody said anything. So whenever I called them, I said, so were they able to fix that tire? No, it says here to replace it. Okay, did you replace that tire? No, we're still looking for that tire. That our system says it's in stock, but we can't find it, but we'll keep looking. Anyway, hour later, I called them back. Did you ever find that tire? No, we didn't, but we just put something else on there instead, so you can come pick up your van. So, I explained to them, I travel a lot and sometimes on dirt roads, and I really enjoyed those all-terrain tires, and maybe that's kind of what I wanted to go with since I'm keeping the other 3. And he said, yeah, these don't match. I'm like, yeah, I know. Anyway, but he said it's cheaper. It's only $100, so whatever. I'll show you the tire when we get back to camp. I tell you what, good tire stores are hard to find these days. Oh yeah, and he told me all of my tires were low, but they aired those up. I'm like, the only people that have even touched my tires is Discount Tires. Good times. Yep. Whatever. Well, all in all, it turned out okay. Could have been a lot worse. Thank goodness I was just at a campground with my friend Vicky, so the tow truck came and got it, took it to Discount Tire, and we hung out here, had breakfast, waited for the repair. So yeah, it could have been way worse. So Vicky and I are going to enjoy the rest of our weekend. We're going to make some tacos tonight and build a campfire and just relax. It's going to be a really nice evening out. So I want to thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your support. Take care. Y'all stay lost, my friends. How cool is that? Don't come get me, buddy.
Right at
It's
you.
coming for me. No. No.
Right for you.
Alright. I gotta go.